welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I'm all dressed up, but secret is that I'm wearing PJs underneath. I'm dressed up from here up, and yeah, so I wanted to sit down and do a tutorial for you guys because of New Year's coming up. I wanted to have this before Christmas, but I don't think that's gonna work out. I may have the tutorial on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do. I will link it here. And yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a glam look. Of course, I'm gonna be playing with a little bit of black and silver, red, and I have some goodies here that I've been liking, so I wanted to show you guys as well what I have here and just, you know, talk to you guys and put some makeup on, and that's pretty much it. Do a glam look for you guys. So if you're interested in this New Year's glam look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you. I just feel like I haven't sat down and done a tutorial in a long time. You see, sometimes I record like twice a week and maybe even 3 times a week. I try, but I just started working. I haven't said that on my YouTube channel. I think I briefly spoke about it on Instagram, but I started working again as a pharmacy technician. What I, you know, been working as I just feel like right now I got the opportunity to work again, and I just gave it a try and I'm here working. So it's been a little bit complicated uploading again, but I'm trying here. I was uploading twice a week, but I think I can only do once a week. It's a little bit tricky right now. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that if I haven't been as consistent as before, it's because I started working again. I'm only part-time, but you know, I have babies, I have a family to take care of, so I still have tons to do. And yeah, I'm trying to do everything as much as possible and still do what I love, which is this. And yeah, before this video ends up being 30 minutes long, let's hurry up and get into the tutorial. So today for the primer, I'm going to be using this Good Molecule silicone free priming moisturizer, and I love Good Molecules. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that that's all I've been using. I am almost done with their hyaluronic acid serum and their oils. Like, they are so good. So I've tried this one before once and I really liked it, so I'm giving it another chance. Feels amazing. It is so moisturizing and it's just so good. I did notice before when I applied it that my makeup lasted all day, so yeah, it's pretty good. So today I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation and concealer just because I've been loving it. The coverage is amazing. A lot of people have been asking me about what finish it is. I didn't mention that in my previous video, like I'm dummy. But the foundation, this foundation right here, it is a matte finish but not over drying, so it's pretty good. I think they have a foundation stick that is more of a natural finish, so if you like more of a natural finish, then that should be it for you. I almost forgot to apply is the Dragon Beauty corrector, and of course I've been applying this before I apply my foundation or anything else, so I'm just gonna sneak in underneath the eyes and apply that, and then go on top with the concealer like I've been liking. It's been working out for me, and yeah, I'm so happy that I found a routine that I like and it's not too much. Now that the concealer and the corrector are placed under the eye and around the eyes just for the darkness, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. sponge that I've been liking and just blending the foundation all over the face. So I'm gonna apply the concealer now under the eye area and the parts where I want to highlight. Then taking my Fenty Beauty Butter powder, and I'm going to apply that under the eye area and press it on these parts of my face, like my forehead and these areas. I just feel like this just mattifies the skin. Then I'm gonna do the eyebrows because I almost forgot to do my eyebrows. Like, hello, I gotta do these brows. Brow here, which is my go-to, and spoolie with that's by Benefit as well. And I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows regularly. Okay, so now that the eyebrows are done, I think, because I struggled, I haven't been filling my eyebrows like that, like to work and stuff like that. I've been leaving them on the natural side, so now filling them in is like, bitch, what are you doing? So I kind of gotta get used to it. So I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer to bronze up the face, contour a little bit, and you know the drill. I'm gonna be using my Sigma taper blending brush, and I've been loving this. I used to use it as a highlighter brush, but now I love it for like bronzer and blush. A little contouring. I'm gonna add the bronzer and the Manizer Sister bronzer, and I love this bronzer right here. I've been using this a lot as well, and it's just a perfect bronzy shade. So I'm gonna mix that with my contour and just blend that so it looks very nice, and you darken up your face a little bit. So I'm gonna do blush and highlighter after I do the eyes. So now let's begin with the good parts, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe Artistry palette, which is the Dare to Create palette 39A, and she is a beauty. Look at this palette. She has all these amazing colors. So I want to work with the red, the black, and maybe some of the browns, just to, you know, mix up things and let's have fun. So I kind of have a look in mind. For primer, I'm just gonna leave it with the concealer. I have concealer on the eyes, so let's just leave it like that. I'm gonna go in with a light brown shade, this brown shade. That brown shade is gonna be my transition color to help with the blending, and you know, I like to always start in the crease and add a transition color. So I think I'm going to do a half cut crease today, just because I haven't done a half cut crease in a long time. I've been applying shimmers on half of my lid, but an actual half cut crease I have not been doing. I'm going to start with the red color from the palette, which is such a beautiful color. It's like a red shimmery color. So I'm going to start working that into my crease as well, and focusing it mostly on this beginning area of the eye. Take this small tapered blending brush by Jessup Beauty, and I want to start blending that out nicely because we want it nice and blended. We don't want it to look crazy. We don't want those harsh lines. And I am one who freaking has to blend my eyeshadows super well. Start off with a burgundy color just because I don't want to mess up my eye look. So I'm going to be taking this dark color up here and start blending that into the outer V and working that into the crease as well. So then I'm going to be taking the black color, and I'm taking like a stencil thing. This is like a highlighter cardboard box. Usually you could use a card, but I don't have a card right now, so I'm using this. And the reason why I'm using this is because I want it nice and angled, and you know, you could use concealer as well to clean it up, but girl, we're trying to be precise here. So I'm just going to take the black color and start applying that into the outer V and blending that with the red and the burgundy. You see how we have it a straight line and it's nice and precise? That's what you want. So we're gonna keep blending this into this area. Now I'm gonna cut the crease and I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer to the half of the eye. I'm going to start cutting that. I'm going to be using the liquid eyeshadow Gleam by Shop Amore Us, and I love these. These are so good, and this one is in Glam, and it's like a silver but with like glitter, like rainbow glitter to it, so like iridescent. So I'm gonna apply that on the half cut crease that we created. How it should be looking so far. It is extra glam. Like, it looks crazy. Like, I know it might be too much for some of you, but once you add lashes and you start adding other makeup, it'll tone down a little bit. It's just that I don't have so much on the face, so don't get scared. I'm going to add under the eye area just black. I'm not gonna add any other color because I have a lot going on the top lid. So on the bottom, we're gonna add just black. And just make sure you blend it out really good because, you know, this black is intense. So take your time blending that out. I added the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner on my waterline. And now I'm gonna go in with mascara, and then I'm gonna go in with my Lily lashes, and these are in Orlando. Almost forgot to add highlight to my brow bone and inner corner, so I'm gonna be using the Gerard Cosmetics highlighter and the color Grace, and it's such a pretty little. Now that we added a little bit of highlight into the brow bone, we're gonna go into the inner corner. So I'm gonna apply that into the inner corner. That we're done with this huge eyeshadow palette, I can put her away because she's like in my way. We're gonna finish up the face now. I'm so excited so you guys can see the finished look. So I'm gonna go in with the Orlando lashes. I'm gonna lie, I had a little bit of trouble with the other lashes. They weren't like I'm so used to when it comes to like mink lashes that they're like so stiff. These are kind of stiff, but kind of, I don't know, they're not as flexible. So they were kind of hard for me to apply it, but maybe it's just something I need to get used to. I don't know. While that dries down a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the blush, and I want to use like a more natural blush, and you know, just to give a little bit of hint of color to the cheeks, but not too overbearing because I do have a lot going on the eyes. So this is the Party by Tarte, and I love this blush. It's one of my go-to blushes. I said brush, blushes. So I'm gonna apply that to the apples of the cheeks and then work that into the contour. It just happens again. I don't know what it is. It leaves like a space. I hate that. I don't like that. It leaves like a little space in between. I'm applying my eyelashes like I would regularly apply my eyelashes. I don't know what's going on. This is frustrating. It actually happened again. It leaves like this space. It is there, but it like pushes up and it leaves a space. I don't know. I don't like it. Then it looks like I don't have my eyelashes applied correctly. I just don't understand why. Like they're spaced. I don't know. This is annoying. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter on my cheekbones. And I'm using the same highlighter. Ooh. And these are not even that glam. Like, this look is supposed to be glam and these lashes are not. So way to go to ruin my look, lashes. Last but not least, I'm gonna be using a lipstick from this collection. I love Pop Beauty's liquid lipsticks. They are amazing. So this one is in the color Red Velvet. I just felt like a red lippy is a must, and this is like a darker red lipstick. Oh my god, this color is beautiful. I am obsessed. I don't think I own a red like this. This is beautiful. So we are finished. I just need a setting spray. This lip color, OMG. God, this is gonna be my new favorite. Their nude color, Pale Baby, is my favorite, and this is probably gonna be my favorite red color by them. So I'm gonna apply my setting spray, and this is the Mario Badescu setting spray, and I'm gonna let my hair out, and I'm gonna show you guys this finished look. Oh my god, we're ready to party! Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am obsessed with this lipstick. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade, nothing like I've ever owned, and I just here for this New Year's look. I feel like it is screaming New Year's. If you love red, if you love black, if you love silver, if you're wearing any of those colors, this would go with an all black outfit. This look would look beautiful. If you're wearing silver, because a lot of people like to bring in the new year with silver and gold, you can also do this with gold. So yeah, I feel like this is a perfect New Year's look. If you want to tone it down a little bit, you can tone it down a little bit, but girl, bring in the new year looking fly. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, share, and I'll see you next time.